today I'm going to show you my new car.
When you go up the steps again,
Yeah.
see that front up there has got a peg bag, you know what we put one you open up the hanger with a peg bag?
Yeah.
I need a new peg bag.
Okay, I'll get you a peg bag. I'm going to show you my new car today. Hey, Geneva, this is my new car. I'm going to ride it to the shops and back. Oh, you've been eating too much grass, ain't you? Calm down. There you go. Where'd you get off her back?
Put grass on her.
Oh, she's still trying it. Alright, we're going in our new car today, aren't we, Angel?
Yeah.
Come on. New car's in there. Back. My pink car. My car is in the back, the pink one. You can see the wheels, my car. The pink one with the purple steering wheel. Yeah, that's it. We want to get a really good driver. Cobwebs. Casey! Do you know the garage, Casey? Might be the one for that. Right. Angel, should we actually ask if we can ride it?
Huh?
Should we actually ask if we can go into it?
Crazy. Go on the bed.
Right. Say hi, Mum.
Hi, Mum.
Look, say hello
Hello.
to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
That's what I thought. Nan,
What?
happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday. You're 70 today.
No, Dad ain't 70.
You're 70. You're 70 today, aren't
Barry's
you?
70 tomorrow. Baby, we got to take him over there on our own to the grapes.
Yeah.
Come on, Mid,
You're right, Nan. I am doing a YouTube video today about gaming. Come on, let's go. Guys, do a gaming video. Archie, gaming video. You trying to find my channel?
I've searched on this one.
It's not Daisy Vlogs, it's Random Vlogs. Bike made out of candy.
I was gonna search some Skyrim stuff, like for the game that I'm playing at the moment.
Reopening. This is me.
I love his videos.
Let's start that again. So,
Harry Main.
we haven't filmed in Liverpool for a very long time. Today we are opening the new 2016 Crazy Main. Well, we actually brought another one out earlier in the year. This is the one that's coming out for Christmas, and it is, let's just say, tasty. Oh, that looks insane. pretty cool, man. Yeah. Mad. I like it. Look at that. That is an absolute animal. I am very, very, very happy with this. This is probably the craziest mini bike
Right,
I've
Jack.
been sent. In fact, it is. That's how you get a cable tied off the lights, so this is all the sound. This is the crazy mini that's coming out at Christmas. In fact, I think it's in next month. In October sometime.
I want that.
Don't take me gospel for that. It's in before Christmas anyway because it's we don't put any acting right now. Yeah. They're going to see the bike. They're going to see the bike. Well, want us to see the bike, but they've heard the right correct amount of information. So, YouTubers, the new crazy man. It is serious. This. Yeah.
Sorry about that. I'm recording at the moment.
Pretty brilliant. That is quite crazy, isn't it? Just think this is what you're going to get like when you order Crazy Man this Christmas.
So are you doing a vlog of Harry Baines' vlog?
Yeah,
Pretty boring.
I know. I've got nothing to vlog about.
Then why vlog?
Because it's like my 4th video. I was doing vlogging outside.
Schmack.
Okay, I think that's enough of Harry Baines' vlog today. This might be the last video what I'm doing today or something. Subscribe for more. Comment down below.
What's your name on thingy then?
What's my name?
Yeah.
My name's Daisy.
What the, no, on YouTube.
On YouTube, random vlogs.
I can't find you.
Okay. Bye.
So we can do some tricks in this one box.